In these very uncertain times, all we want is you to be safe, and this is our #1 priority. COVID-19 impacts the way we do everything with our two hands, hence resulting in a number of new avenues to do things that help us reduce the spreading of the virus. COVID-19 has had a devastating impact on our social lives, but it's also promoting an outpouring of creativity in other areas. Today, we will be bringing you the 6 must-have inventions and gadgets that are especially useful in our day-to-day life. You're watching Tech Center. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one in the future. Here are 6 gadgets and inventions for 2020 you can buy on Amazon and online. Number 6. 3-in-1 multifunctional UV phone sanitizer. Built in with wireless charger, and you can use it to sanitize all kinds of small items like cell phones, watches, toothbrushes, etc. Especially in the light of the recent coronavirus outbreak, this unique product can help us to keep our phone clear of nasty bugs like E. coli. As per the recent bacterial studies, it's claimed that our cell phone is a veritable hothouse of bacteria, and our cell phone may have up to 10 times more bacteria than we do on our toilet seats. Don't worry, our portable sanitizer box has a rapid sterilization system that uses a strong ultraviolet radiation sterilization method to kill up to 99.9% of bacteria. This unique product contains aromatherapy features that are harmless to the human body. The device has a complete coverage design that contains 18 or 30 minutes of disinfection mode and is notified with a beeping sound once disinfection is complete. Portable as it fits in your purse and backpack, so it can be taken anywhere very easily. The product is an ideal for germaphobes and must-have cool gadgets for anyone who cares about hygiene. Number 5. Touchless Soap Dispenser by Laopao. Our next product is the Touchless Soap Dispenser by Laopao. We all know that hand washing is a key component to public and personal health. Regular hand washing has been proven to be effective in reducing the spread of germs. For the same, Touchless Soap Dispenser plays a vital role as it's fully automated and touchless foaming soap dispenser with both high foam and low foam modes. Designed with a smart motion infrared sensor, hands-free, and is easy to operate. It works with any soap or hand sanitizer, and you just need to dilute your favorite liquid soap with the water and you're ready to go. High precision sensor design with high speed activation, it dispenses foam instantly by a wave. Easy operation by one button. Press it to turn on or off, long press for 3 seconds to choose a high/low soap mode. The capacity is 240 milliliters or 8.12 ounces, with visible volume so you can check the volume at a glance. It's one great product that guards your family's health and helps to reduce the spreading of bacteria and viruses around your home and office. Number 4. GoSun Flow Water Purifier. At the number 4 spot is the GoSun Flow Water Purifier. It's small enough to fit into a backpack and uses solar energy to filter 99.99% of pathogens from water and functions as the portable hand washing station as well as a source of clean drinking water. Purify water, wash your hands, or take a warm shower. GoSun Flow is the answer. Instead of manual pumping, a USB-powered pump does the work for you and enables the delivery of water where it's needed. It comes with an included power bank that supplies power to the pump, or it can run off your phone, USB on the go, or directly from the integrated solar panel. GoSun Flow is so much more than a water purifier, especially now with the greater awareness of sanitation. This product is smart and acts as both a sink that fits in our backpack, which can be used anywhere for anything. GoSun Flow has cutting-edge filter technology known as nano-aluminum fiber filter, combining with the high-efficiency carbon filter and polypropylene filter disc, which helps to create the fresh water from the water source right to your cup. It operates with our phone batteries using USB to create or deliver fresh water, and one charge filters 100 gallons of water. GoSun Flow helps to stay clean while we are away from home. It's great for camping, traveling, and it's just very helpful to have a water purifier with you all the time. Number 3. Breathe 99-B2 Mask. Up next is the Breathe 99-B2 Mask. Superior respiratory protection, and it's a reusable respirator that filters 99% of common contaminants. Unlike existing consumer masks, the B2 features a flexible face piece that provides superior protection and comfort. The B2 is the culmination of 4+ years of design and development. The B2 mask is designed to provide excellent protection to those who are most at risk, such as the elderly populations, children, travelers, and high-contact workers. The edge-cutting technology is behind the mask. It's comfortable, airtight seal, and has high-efficiency filters, and most importantly, it's durable and reusable. The B2 mask uses the latest advances in filter technology that provides 99% filtration against a range of airborne contaminants down to a 0.1 micron. Number 2. ProMat 99. Now let's take a look at the portable battery-operated soul sanitizing device, ProMat 99. It's a revolutionary design that every home and business needs to have today. Often, people are asked to remove their shoes before entering someone's home, and hand sanitizer is a staple before holding a baby. So people are doing everything to avoid the viruses and bacteria as much as possible. And when we go out with our shoes, we bring these viruses and bacteria inside our home. Hence, ProMat is one solution to get rid of these unwanted viruses and bacteria. It uses UVC light, which is designed to kill germs, viruses, and bacteria. The ProMat 99 is made out of solid, durable material, including steel, and is battery operated. It helps to kill germs every time, as this amazing device uses UVC technology to kill 99.9% of germs. With a small wipe of your feet, we can say bye to all the germs, bacteria, and viruses. Entering the number 1 spot is the KeySmart Clean Key. With over 3.5 million confirmed COVID-19 cases, more than 250,000 deaths around the world, and with the vaccine being 12 to 18 months away, personal hygiene is more important than ever. Therefore, touching public shared surfaces such as a store checkout, door handles, and elevator buttons can be a high risk. To avoid it, KeySmart Clean Key comes in very handy, as it's an antimicrobial brass everyday carry hand tool that will help you to avoid touching public surfaces, since it can be used to open doors, levers, and push buttons, and much more without physically touching germ-infested surfaces. Smart Clean Key has ergonomic design which makes it easy to open a door, to press buttons and pull levers, and is easy to carry and reduces the point of contact area by over 99%. You can give this mini tool gadget to people around you and help them keep themselves safe and protected against bacteria, viruses, germs, and infections that may stay on the surfaces outside or at the office workplace. Keeping clean hands will only add more confidence to you and your friend's safety. Do you think these gadgets and inventions will help us to fight against the virus? Which do you think would be the most useful? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, show your support by leaving a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. We're kind of focused to ensure that people are aware of this pandemic and know ways to be safe, and we'll try to bring more of these kinds of inventions. So thank you for watching, stay safe, and we'll see you again soon.